welcome to my channel or welcome back to my channel. How have you been? How have you been? Me? I'm trying. Okay. I just gotta get the foot up on. I just got out of bed. I'm sorry. Gotta get up here on the couch. So the lighting might suck and all that stuff, but it's the best I can do. It's been, my God, it seems like forever since I have recorded. And I'm making my first custom order. Forget the foot's going down so I can sit better. I know. First. So I have gotten. I hope this is gonna fit her, cause yeah. But I have a hard time actually following the actual pattern for this because. Okay, crazy lady. People aren't all built the same, you know. Okay. Yeah, and this one for this one's going to Pennsylvania, and yeah, and it's really cool because I just got the packages to mail out, like the cardigans, because these they didn't fit in my biggest ones that I had. I was like, dang, I'm gonna have to get the bigger ones, so I did. So that's so good. I had to figure out my label maker. I got that done. So what I'm gonna do right now is I'm gonna work on this cardigan some more. Okay, now what do you call it? So, like I was saying, I got it's all together, okay? I'm working on the length right now. I've done
the account has uploaded another video that's just as eerie. The uploader says that
oh no, I'm on the border. Doing the border. That's what I'm doing. And then all I gotta do is weave in the ends and she'll be done. So that will be awesome. So I just came upon this lovely looking knot. Yeah, is that weird? Look. Anyway, so we shall get rid of that. Now I'll show you how to do my knots. Why not? Why not? So I take this one, right? This one, I tie it right around the one in my right hand. And I pull it really tight. Okay? So then this one and this one go together, see? Then I take this one here and I tie it around the one on my left. I really am tying it. It's not cooperating much, but, and I pull it real tight. Okay, so now you got not there, not there. Then I take the string, you know, the yarn here, and I pull them together until both knots come together.
Let us know in the comments down below.
And then I used to do, shoot, I can't remember what it's called now. I've done it for so long. I've seen other crocheters do it. But I do this now because the knot is always, it's always smaller. Okay, well, if I can find the upside, you know, the right side. You know what I mean? Feel like think I'm in Stranger Things here, upside down. Okay, hopefully that's long enough. I think so. Oh, if I could stand easier, I would try it on, but I'm pretty sure that's close to the length of the one that I had made pretty long on me, and I'm tall, so. Now, I want to put a be upside down with that. I can put it on the bottom here. Decided to put a little tag on the bottom of it. Heck with it. Thought about putting it on the sleeve. Can't put it on the pocket or the SWC will be upside down. So, yeah, no. Okay. Whew. Okay, now refold this thing. Wow. Well, it has to fit, so. I can always put another bag, put this in another bag anyway, if I don't think this is, I don't know, I think it might work. First one you've seen me do. What's the best way to get these in there? I'm gonna put it like this so that you can see the thank you. Oh, thank you. I'm gonna finish. Okay, and there we have it. Got those packaged up. Gonna send the hubby later to mail them out for me. So thank you, and I'll get back to you guys soon. And my timing, I guess, was perfect because my next video that I had pre-recorded comes out in 2 days. Today's Friday. Tomorrow, sorry. Hi, Jericho. Come see Mama. You can say hi. You want to say hi and then bye? Say hi. Say we're leaving now. Bye, guys.